So we're here at the studio at We of Media, and then we brought out Adam from the Bay Area with illumaesthetic. These guys do some awesome work. They do carbon fiber pieces. They do development of like new pieces for cars with technology from scanning and 3D printing, which is something sick, and I love it. So we connected at SEMA show. We've been talking about like the ZDX for about 5 months already. And did you go to scan it? When was it?
Yeah,
right?
2 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago at Honda.
2 weeks ago. Yeah, he went to Honda, ACURA headquarters, scanned the ZDX completely, and now we're gonna do a little more scanning. We're gonna be developing this car, this SUV, to be more specific. Some pieces we're gonna be developing, and then we're gonna show them at Long Beach Grand Prix. We got a new project that's gonna be sick. We're really gonna make this car even cooler. So.
Yeah. We're on week 2 of the ACURA ZDX project, and we're printing it right now. So the printers are running, but we have a bunch of ZDX parts ready, and it's time to assemble them. So ABS-GF is nice because it's really clean, and you can use acetone. But the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to get a pick. You see this? All that support material here. I'm going to pop it out. So we're in the middle of assembling this. We have the side pieces done, the stanchion done, the middle piece done. He's in the process of getting that main wing on. We're looking like it'll be done pretty soon. But yeah, it's coming together. Obviously this is just the assembly phase, and then we need to like smooth it and clean it, but that's a problem for later. So we just got everything assembled. Probably took about 2 hours to do this. But there you go. It's one complete ZDX wing. So now we're gonna plastic weld the seams, reinforce everything, sand a little smoother, and get this ready for carbon. So we are now in the 3D printer room, and the front lip's done. So I gotta take it off the bed. It's both done. Look at that. Here for processing. Let's check on the other prints. So right now, this is the flares. These are the other flares. This is currently printing the other, so plate 4. And hopefully we'll be done with the flares pretty soon. So these are all of the ZDX flares pulled off. We're gonna go ahead and start organizing them and doing that. This is also the front lip for the ZDX, right? So our boy, sorry, food coma. Our boy Raymond's gonna start processing it. So this is the front lip. So it's Friday night. I got the cavalry together. My boys. My boys are helping us sand the wing, the fender flares, because we got to deliver this thing on Sunday. So we got 2 days left to finish this before it gets put on the car, and then they're gonna start wrapping it and everything. So far, so good.
I think so.
Everything's not glamorous, but when you do it with your boys, it's fun.
My boys, who are these guys?
No, just.
So we have. We are halfway into the night. Maybe less, maybe more, who knows. This is the last fender we have left before we spray primer on all of these. We need to be able to see what we're doing before we do the last bit of spine cleaning. So tomorrow morning when there's light out, we're gonna spray filler primer, and then Raymond's gonna come in and we're gonna finalize everything. But the boys are here, thank you boys. In order to prevent you from starting a union, I bought you a pizza party. So let's eat and then finish this up for the night. It's Sunday morning, 2 a.m. But the kit's done. Yeah, the kit's done. Front lip's done, wings done. The wings done. Flares are done. The small pieces are done. It's too late to shoot primer, so I'm gonna come in tomorrow morning and shoot some primer, but it's 2 weeks till Long Beach Grand Prix, and I'm done with my end. So we're gonna load this up and drive this over to Coco tomorrow morning, or today morning. You can kind of see here, it's all primered, nice and clean, ready for vinyl. And yeah, so this should be pretty ready to go. I still need to shoot some filler primer on those pieces. Just need to layer it up and do one last pass of 400, but it's too late to shoot it, so I'll shoot it tomorrow morning. The big wing's done, so I'm excited to see what this looks like on the car.
And they brought some parts of the body kit.
It's Coco.
ZDX is about to be transformed for the ZDX. El alerón de la ZDX. This thing is sick. 'Cause the partners is very special. We've been working very hard on the car, but not only the car. This is one of the things we didn't want to do, is just focus on the car and ourselves and in myself. It's not about the car so much. It was more about the concept that we have, the dopamine concept that I'm pretty sure you guys are kind of familiar with it, especially those car addicts that are here.
At full speed. That's what will be celebrated at the 50th anniversary of the ACURA Grand Prix of Long Beach.